our triangle patterns. And the way that I always remember this is triangles are the most stable shape. So they are very stable profiles. So we have Craftsman. We usually find Craftsman patterns in developers. Hands up if you're a developer. Or do anything. Are you all technically orientated, analytical? Yes, yes, yes. So we usually find technically orientated people in these triangle style profiles, and it's because of this. Very low dominance, right? You've got no desire to have conflict whatsoever. You're more likely to say yes than no, right? They love to think things through. They're very analytical by nature, right? They're very steady. They're very calm, right? They want to do one thing at a time, and then they want to deliver really high quality results and standards. They're giving me no verbal feedback because they're all low Bs. Operators. So there's a lot of commonality with these triangle profiles, and you'll sense that with all those hexagons. They're similar, but they're slightly different, right? So with the operator profile, their patience is the highest drive, which means they're a little bit calmer, steady, great at putting process in place, making sure people are following the rules and delivering really high quality results. You love time to think through a problem. You're more likely to say yes to me. Yes. And then work out how to say no later. Yeah, yeah. So they'll say yes to your face, by the way. Actually, most triangle patterns will say yes to you usually, and then they'll work out how to say no later. So please don't force this group into saying yes when they shouldn't be saying yes, okay? Then we have guardians. So you know how we talked about mavericks as our high risk? These are guardians of your organization. They are the protectors of your business. So they are more conservative in style. They're thinking through, why should we do that stupid ideas the Mavericks put on the table? No, look, they're gonna ask a lot of questions when it comes to risk, right? Because their job, and they view it as, I am the protector of the situation of my team, right? And of the organization. They are very amazing at delivering high quality results because their highest factor is that following rules, right? So it's all about rules, structure, being calm, patient, great team players, and they need time to think things through. Now, we have two adapters. And the adapters are a chameleon. And can everyone see on the board, it's like a line? So what that means when you're an adapter is your profile is so close to the midpoint, they can do a bit of everything. That's why they're your superheroes, because they can transform. So our adapters do have their own profile, which we would have walked through with them. They do have clear patterns, but from a reference profile perspective, I'll say they're highly adaptable for their environment. So if you're in a meeting with more dominant people, more loud and assertive people, you'll speak up if you have to. If it's a really team environment where it's all about collaboration, you'll step into the team and be really collaborative. If you're dealing with someone who's super chatty, you'll up your chattiness. You're dealing with someone who's quiet, you will slow yourself down and be quiet, yeah? There you go. And they're just agreeing with me, so.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like or comment below. If you want to find out what drives and motivates you, click the link in the comments below and take the free Predictive Index Behavioural Assessment and find out what drives and motivates you today.